Hello, it is Millerboy here. Okay guys, so this is part 6 of how to make a quest for Skyrim using the creation kit. Now today this is actually just a bit of a bonus clip because in part 5 we fixed all the bugs and the quest is, running pretty smoothly. So by all means, if you don't want to watch this, you don't, but I'm going to give you a few, little things that you can do to your quest just to make it that little bit better. And by little bit, I mean 10 million, billion, jillion times better. So what are the things? Well, the first thing is when we go and talk to Billy Bob, the questing dialogue that we recorded for him is pretty nice, but it doesn't match his orc hellos and goodbyes. When we get near him, the default stuff that Bethesda have recorded for him, and it just doesn't work. So we're gonna solve that problem. The second thing is that, and this is pretty cool, we're gonna make Billy Bob our follower after we've completed the quest. So we won't just be a follower straight out, but only once we've completed the quest. And okay guys, calm down, don't get too excited, but yes, that's what I'm going to show you. So let's get started. So first of all, go and find our good friend Billy Bob. Let's go and do a bit of a scrolling for him. There he is. Go and open him up. And what you want to go and do, once the window's open now, you want to go over to factions. And if you've watched my making a follower tutorial, you'll know exactly what to do now. Or if you've watched someone else's. But if not, I recommend go back and watching it. But I'll show you everything you need to do now, so it's not desperate that you go and watch it. So right click new, and you want to go and type in follower, and look for current follower and potential follower, and you want to add both of them. So one at a time. Follow, potential, there we go. Oops, right clicked. And you want to go over to current follower faction now, and on rank you want to rename that to -1, and there we go. We've done this section out and we can click OK. Now normally after this stage of making a follower, you'd go and make a relationship like this. You'd go over to character, relationship, and let me just get rid of that mod there, and you'd make something like this, a nice little relationship. So for example, on this one you'd make the parent NPC mod Billy, and you make the child NPC the player, and you put relationship level like acquaintance, friend, confident, and like something good, and then you click OK, and then Billy Bob, he would be a follower all throughout the game, but we don't want that. We only want it after we completed the quest. So we don't add a relationship like this, we do it another way, and we actually want to go find our quest now. So do mod or whatever you've named your ID for your quest, and open that up. And what you want to go and do is you want to go over to quest stages, because we want Billy Bob to be our follower after we've completed the quest. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our completed stage. And if you're not sure which one it is, just go through them all again and look for the one that says complete quest. But you should know really. So we're going to add a little bit of code, but don't worry guys, it's nothing too drastic. It's nowhere near the amount of scripting we've done in the other videos. Simply go over to this little scripting section here, and you want to add a new line, and what that is Elias. I'm just going to type it out and I'll explain it in a minute. So you want to do Elias.Billy, Elias underscore Billy dot get reference, actor reference, and I'll explain why in a minute. Reference. Sorry, I'm just trying to make no spelling mistakes as I normally do. Not add item, I'm copying that from up there for some reason. It's get actor reference set relation ship rank. Get them brackets in there, and you want to put game dot get player brackets comma space, and now you want to put a number here, but I'll go over that in a minute. Let's just go through what we've wrote so far. So Elias Billy, we know that's Billy, that's what we set up in our properties here. Billy there, that just references to Billy Bob. And then we've done get actor reference. Now what we did last time is we did get reference when we wanted to refer to Billy, but in this case we need to do actor reference because it's more in depth. I don't know the ins and outs of it. Bit of a tongue twist there. I don't know the ins and outs of why you need to put get actor reference, but I'm pretty sure it's something to do with, because it needs to refer something to more specific. It's not just his like what he has, like his items and his armor and traits and stuff. It's more of like his rank. I can't explain it fully, but you need to put get actor reference instead of get reference, because if you put get reference then this won't work and you'll get a problem when you compile. So get actor reference, them little brackets, dot, and now set relationship rank. This is basically doing what we could have done before where we added the relationship ourselves. This just does it through the scripting in the game. So set relationship rank, and now this is basically our child NPC, which remember should be the player. And then, like I said, after this comment you want to put a number. Now this number relates to, you know, when we could have made a relationship before, it's whether it's an ally, a friend, a lover, if you want to get a bit frisky with Billy, you know. I won't, what's the word? I won't, I can't think of the word. What is the word? I don't know the word. I was going to say something funny and it's just gone out of my head. Moving on. So you can put a number from -4 to 4. So -4, he's basically your arch enemy. And obviously he can't be your follower if he's your arch enemy. So you need to give him a positive number. So 1 is he's just your friend. 2, he's a really good friend of yours. 3, I believe he's your ally, which I normally do for my followers. And number 4, he's a lover. So I'm just going to go ahead and click 3. But as long as it's positive, it should be fine. So once you've done that, click compile. Yes, no errors. That's lovely jubbly. There we go. After we completed the quest now, Billy Bob will be our follower. So the next thing we're going to fix, or implement really, we're going to go and do that thing with the voices. So how do we do that is we want to stay in this quest, mod quest, and we want to go over to the MISC tab. Wait for it to load, might take a second or two. There we go. And now everything should be blank here really, unless you've added something yourself when you're experimenting. And you want to go ahead and right click in this white section now and click new topic. Now you get a whole load of new things here. And the ones we're going to do today is hello and goodbye. So we're going to click on hello, click OK. And we want to name it something, so I'm just going to name it mod quest hello. But you can choose whatever you like. There we go. And once you've clicked on it, you want to right click in this section here now and click new. And now you should recognize this. So we need to add some text in here. So basically we're going to add 3 different hellos today. The first hello is going to be before we've started the quest, and he'll say something like when we walk up to him, let's think, he could say, hey, I need your help with something, or yo dude, can you help me? Yeah, that sounds good. Yo dude, yo dude, oh, bit of capitals there, can you help me? Like that. And then we want to go and record a sound, so we know what we need to do now. We need to go and click OK first of all. Once I can find, I need to do the tab thing, don't I? Because for some reason, OK, there we go. And we need to go and straight away right click new, and you should remember how to do this from the voicing tutorials. But you want to do get his ID. Click on this little box here. Because remember, if we didn't put this in, this would happen for everyone in the game, and we don't want this. So mod Billy, find them, click OK, and make sure it's equals and 1. Click OK. So now we've done that, we want to go straight back into our response text. Why? Because we were doing that so we could get our voice type to show up, male orc. So you want to click on it, and now this is where we record our voice, guys. So it's yo dude, can you help me? So let me do that. Record. Yo dude, can you help me? Done. Let's see if it works. Okay, I don't know if you guys hear that. I don't know if my system sound is going through into the recording, but if it is, there we go. And once you've done that, you need to remember to click save. Click on it. There we go. Everything's looking nicely. Happy days. So we need to click tab again to get out of there. Okay. And we need to add a couple more conditions now. So why? Well, because if we didn't add a condition now, then this yo dude can you help me would happen whether we've completed the quest, we're in the middle of the quest, and as well as before. So we only want this to happen before the quest, because we don't want him asking for help if we've helped him already. So the way we do that is right click new, and you've probably beaten me to the chase and know how to do this by now. Get stage, and you want to look for our quest now, mod quest, okie dokie. And you want to do less than now. So if mod quest is less than, and now you might need to look back to your stages now if you don't remember what you did. But I know that before stage 10 we hadn't started the quest yet. So go ahead and click OK. There we go. So if the actor is Billy Bob and it's before stage 10, Billy Bob will say, yo dude, can you help me? So we've done that, so let's tab out of here. How are we going to do that? There we go, okay. I hate how it just cuts off the screen like that, it's really annoying. But anyway, right click again, and we're going to make another one. You could just make a generic hello if you want and just use one, but I'm going to show you a couple just so you know how to do things. So the other can be, have you got the sword yet? The sword, yeah man. Now we want to go ahead and click OK again, like so. And we want to go and add our condition. I'm just going to go through this quickly now because I've already showed you how to do this. Come on game, mod, Billy, yep, 1, click back onto, have you got the sword yet man? And we're going to record the voice. Have you got the sword yet man? I don't know why I'm changing my voice, I have no idea. I sound pretty, is it American? I don't know. Let's preview that. Okay, that's nice, lovely. Very strange accent I just did there, but who cares? You want to add another condition. You want to look for get stage. There it is. And now what we're going to do is obviously find our quest first. Now, if it's before stage 40, because remember stage 40 is when we've completed the quest. If it's before stage 40, but after stage 10, we want him to say this line. So we want to do if it's where is it? If it's bigger than or equal to, actually, bigger than or equal to stage 10, and we need to add another one now. Where is it? Get stage. Sorry, I'm going a bit mind blank here. Get stage, and it's less than 40. Then what will happen is, if it's between 40 and 10, then he will say this line. So there we go, we've done that one. It's really easy, this, guys, once you've got the hang of it. Okay. Why is this not... oh, wrong one, sorry. Okay, there we go. Now, one more, new. And what we're going to do here is we're going to write... oh, I don't know. You demand. You demand, because you know this is after we complete the quest, and he's really happy with us now. So go ahead and tab out. Oops, that's in the dictionary. Come on, tab out of there. Okay, add the condition. Again, I'm just going to go through this quickly. Mod Billy. Okay. Click back in. Click on him. Record. You demand. Preview. Yeah. Things always seem to, be a bit quiet when I'm doing the recordings on Skyrim Creation Kit. I don't know why, but it's just how it is. Guess I need to speak up a little bit. While I'm doing this, guys, I want to apologise if, I'm talking a bit fast today, or, I'm not talking very clearly. I'm just so excited to do this tutorial for you. So it's mod quest, there it is. Okay. And now this is if it's equal to 40. Equal to 40, so like that. So if the stage is equal to 40, which is our completed stage, you'll say you demand. And we want to go ahead and do... there we go, okay. Now, that's all, fine and dandy, but there is one more, the failed quest, if you remember. We added one of them, so we don't want him, saying you demand if we failed the quest or anything like that. We want to say something else. So we can add another one, to be quite honest. Let's go with it. We can say you are a fart, sir. You are a fart, sir. And we want to go ahead and click OK. Oh, I hate this. Come on, tab. There we go. Add in our condition. Oh god, come on. What am I doing? Get his ID. I've already done it. Oh my god. I'm slipping up today, guys. I'm losing it. Right, let's find mod Billy. Enter, there we go. Equals 1. Correct, Amondo. Click on this again. Click on this. Record. You are a fart, sir. Oh, let me do that again. You are a fart, good sir. Oh, I said good, didn't I? Oh crap, let's put that in there. Good. Go ahead and click save. Happy days. Enter. Add one more condition, and this is if it equals, I believe, did we put it as 200? Oh god, I can't remember what the stage was. Was it get stage, and I think it was 200. Let's find our mod quest. There we go. So if the quest is on the failed quest, he'll say, "You're a fart, good sir." Oh. Come on. There we go. So there we go, we've done all of our hellos. Now, there is something else we can do. Right click, new topic, and the goodbyes. Like this, okay. And add goodbyes again like you did before. Don't worry guys, I'm not going to go into such in-depth as I did just then. You can add all the conditions and add loads of different ones for different parts of the quest. But right now, I'm just going to add one basic one. Ciao. Ciao. Just go with ciao, why not? Yeah, we want to click out of there now. Want to add Billy Bob in here. Come on, creation kit. Load, damn you. Sorry if this is a bit lengthy today. Don't want to miss anything out for you guys. I know you like things to be thorough. Ciao. Click on that. Ciao. Okay, that sounded really, really weird, but whatever. Let's keep tabbing. Okay. Lovely jubbly. Add. Do we need to add? No, we don't. Don't need to add anything, do we? No conditions needed, because this is obviously you could add conditions like I said before if you wanted to add loads of separate ones, but this is just like a whole one for this quest. So, oh god, come on! I can't find this OK button. There we go. So we've added hellos and goodbyes. How awesome is that? So hopefully you can click OK now. Hopefully, if we go into game now, after we complete the quest, Billy Bob will be our follower, and also he'll talk like a boss all the time. And by a boss, I mean in my voice. Okay, so let's jump into the game now, guys, and check this shit out. Okay, guys, so here we are outside the lovely Sleeping Giant Inn. So, let's go ahead and meet our good friend Billy Bob once again. Now, I've not started the quest yet, simply so I can prove to you that he's not a follower before the quest as well. Now, where is he? There he is. Now, remember to look out for his hellos and goodbyes that we set up as well. You might not be able to hear it clearly on mine because my voice levels are really low for some reason. I don't know if it's my recording method or my in-game sound. But trust me, it works, and if you listen closely, you may hear it. Yo, dude, can you help me? So we did say, yo, dude, can you help me there, but you may have heard it, you may have not. But trust me, guys, this works 100%. So let's start this quest.
Well, actually, yes.
Blah, blah, blah. Come on, get on with it, Billy. Wait for it. Start the quest. Now, to prove you that, you know, he's a follower after the quest, I'm just going to use a little command called set... Oops, not my Steam overlay, what's going on? Called set stage. And this is really useful when you're just testing out your quests, so you don't have to go all the way through it. You can just set the stage you need. So, put set stage, the ID of your quest. Mine is a mod quest. And then the stage you want to set it to, so mine's 40, because that's my completed stage. There we go, I've completed Billy Bob's adventure. And now, if we go and talk to him, follow me, I need your help. That is awesome, guys. Billy Bob is now our follower after we completed the quest.
Lead then. You have my steel.
Oh wait, what's that voice? I don't recognise that voice. No, because it's not my voice. And why isn't it my voice? Because we haven't done anything to solve the follower dialogue problem. Now, I deliberately didn't go over that today. One, because... to be honest, guys, you are pretty able to do this yourself now. This is a little challenge for you guys if you really want to set that up. I won't give you too much clues, but basically find the quest dialogue follower and go to the dialogue section, the dialogue view of that, you know, the tabs at the top. And simply all you need to go and do is look at what all the other voices are like for the other people and just simply copy them for your character. Now, if you do struggle with this, or you do really need me to do another video on follower dialogue, then let me know, and I will do my best to help you out. But guys, I'm pretty sure after all these tutorials, you can do this yourself. So again, thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and this was a nice little bit of a bonus material for our questing tutorial. So thanks for watching, guys. Only joking, Billy. Go on, kill Sven. Go. Chop him up. Alright, that's nice. So thanks for watching again, guys. Remember to comment, rate, all that fun jazz. You know, like, subscribe. And I will see you next time with some fun stuff. Adios.
Enough!